Hey guys, what's up? Always here. I hope you guys are all doing great. We're going to go right into the topic. Should you buy the Apple Watch Series 1 in 2020? Short and sweet answer to that is yes, but only, well, to find out, continue watching the video. So I'm going to talk about all the aspects of the Apple Watch. I have the original Series 1 box here. However, I'm not going to be unboxing the watch. So if you do want to watch the unboxing, then I'll put the link in the description below. One thing to know is that I bought this review unit and it didn't come with a wall plug. Everything else is included, so make sure before buying from someone or online like eBay that you ask the seller if it comes with a wall plug. I know, crazy, right? This is the 42mm that I have here, and this is where we're going to start. I would definitely recommend you buying the 42mm. It's visually appealing and it's a lot easier to use when on the wrist. This Apple Watch is used. As you can see, I managed to pick a decent one up with just minor scratches. It's got a dual core processor, splash resistant, has a heart rate sensor, it's got a Bluetooth 4.2, it's Wi-Fi enabled, it's got a superb OLED display. Right off the bat, these features are legit awesome for an average consumer, especially for someone coming new to the Apple Watch. These features are sufficient for you to kind of get started with the ecosystem and the Watch OS. Even though this released back in 2015, you are still able to use the latest Apple Watch bands. With the Space Gray, you get the black sports band, but Apple continuously updates these as seasons pass. You can pick some amazing colors for the 2020 range. I've got this paired with my iPhone 7. To pair the Apple Watch Series 1, you must at least have an iPhone 6s. So if you're looking to buy an iPhone to go with your Apple Watch, then check out my video on whether you should buy the iPhone 7 in 2020. The link of that will be in the description below. The other thing to know is that the Apple Watch design only recently changed. So if you look at the Series 2 that I have here, it's identical to the Series 1. You cannot tell the difference. And this is same for the Series 3. These watches have incremental updates visually as well as through software, so you're not going to know a huge amount of difference whether you buy a Series 1, 2 or 3. It's fluid, fast and easy to navigate around the Watch OS. Apple Watch is the best smartwatch you can buy on the market, and there is no doubt. The Series 1 now runs the latest Watch OS, which is 6.2.1. So you're still getting new features and you're also getting covered by the security update. Unlike the Series 5 and Series 6, the display on Series 1 is more boxed. If you never owned an Apple Watch before, then this is not going to be an issue. For someone like me to go back to a Series 1 from a Series 6, obviously I'm going to know the difference, but I want to trial this out and see what it's like to actually use one of these in 2020. So if you're going to be buying a used one for a decent condition, you're looking to pay around £70, and if you want the cellular version, then, well, you need to get a Series 3. And of course you have Siri, which is pretty useless on the watch and it's going to be the least feature you're going to use. However, you do get some awesome notifications like this, Happy New Year. What you have to remember is that this is an extension to your iPhone, so it's all about getting those notifications quicker. Instead of pulling out your iPhone, you just glance at the watch. If you're into statistics and data as a runner or a gym goer, then all these get recorded automatically via the watch or additional apps. Like I said, remember, it's an extension to your iPhone and most users will not care about all the tech that the Series 6 has. So should you buy the Series 1 in 2020? Hell yeah, it's an amazing watch at a great price. Don't think twice. If you can get a cheap one, get it right now. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe and share the video, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you. Peace.